everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today we're going to be playing Lucky Sunday. We have $22 to play with. If you're wondering what Lucky Sunday is, it's basically just any challenge from Mini Mondays and Freebie Fridays. I go through the binder and see what challenge is close to being done, and they're going to try their best to get lucky and see if they get done and finished early. Not early, but fast, so I can finish, challenges faster. So yeah, so if you're new here, welcome. If you'd like to follow my journey, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, would love that. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys had a great Saturday, and hopefully today is a good day for you. Let's see what we have for Mini Mondays. I know Mini Mondays, this one, Christmas is a long way to go. This one is not too bad, so let me actually get this one out. It's not too bad. We just need the little duckies. So yes, I know this one, we're far away from that. This one, we're definitely far away. This one, we're not that far away, so let's get this one out. And I feel like I need to sneeze. Oh my goodness. And this one, ooh, excuse me. In this one, we're definitely far away. So that is all for Mini Mondays. Now let's see what we have for Freebie Friday. I hope we have a few of them, because I really want to finish something, so I feel like I have accomplished something. All right, this one, vacation, we're far away from that. This one is not too bad, but let me just check here what else we have, and then we can go on from that. This one is smaller numbers, so let me actually do this one too. This one, we're a little bit far away. Yeah, this one, we're not that far away. This one, we are not that far away either. And I think I might do vacation. I know we're far away from vacation, like to finish this vacation one, but we're actually gonna go to on vacation this month. So yeah, so let me actually do that. Why not? All right, it is what it is. I need to finish something for vacation. So yeah, all right, let's see how it goes. I don't know how many challenges I actually have, but let's get it out and see how it goes, you guys. Yeah, so let's see. Look, we're very far away from that. So this one, we're not that far away. We only need $2 for that one. Oh my goodness. OMG, this one, we're so close. Okay, let's see. This one, we're not that far away either. They're more like of a smaller number, so that's exciting. Oh, we have 6. Okay, that's exciting. All right, we have 6, you guys. That's not bad. Okay, great. That's gonna work out. It is like when I woke up, you guys, it was so gloomy and foggy outside, and now the sun is like shining through. So I like that. I like that. It was so ugly yesterday. Rained really bad. Yesterday we had like a severe storm, and it was just so ugly. Okay, here we go, guys. So everyone's gonna get a little bit of love, hopefully. Knock on wood, finger crossed. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is from Coco, crafted by Coco. Ain't Better Than a Budget. This is me, the Cafecito budget. Kumon's plan and Reno's budgets. So yay, thumbnail picture. Hold on, let's not forget our thumbnail picture. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, cheese. Okay. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. And we're starting off with number 2. Okay, number 1. Number 1. Number 3. 5. Hopefully everyone gets a little bit of love. 6. 1. 6. 3. Okay, we need a 4 though. 2. Come on, we need a 4 so everyone gets a little bit of love. 3. 6. 3. 3 again. 6, 5. Oh my goodness. You'll see that? Maybe if I roll it here. 6, 5, 2. Oh my goodness. 1. You're kidding. And a 1. Oh my goodness. I might cheat for this one. If I have anything left over for anything, which I think I do for this one, I would definitely cheat for that because we're trying to finish this. Okay? Okay. So let's put those here and see how we did. OMG. All right. Here we go, you guys. All right. So we had a leftover on that one. Let's count how much we made. Or not made, but how much we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can definitely scratch that one out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 4. Yay, we get to cross out 2. So the 5 and the 4. Now we have lower numbers. How exciting. This is for my exam and my eye classes. So that's exciting because I need them done as soon as possible. Oh my goodness. So yay, it's not done yet, but we're close. Super duper close. We have 2s and 1 3s. So that's exciting. Okay. So there's that. Next, vacation. Vacation got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I think it has $1 left over. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and do the $3 and the $2. So 3 and 2. So the airplane is worth $3 and the ticket is worth 2. So yay, we're getting close. This one will be $84. We are getting close. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's that. I really want to finish this one so bad so I can get money going for vacation because I'm definitely going to spend everything. All right, this one needed 2 and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It got $5. So yay, $2 completed. Woohoo! Awesome sauce. And I don't have this one for anything, so I'm just going to put it towards my debt. It's not a lot of money, but that's okay. Small amounts adds up, and I've said that all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So $15. Yay, from the cafecito. Now let me pick a different one. What should I pick? I don't know. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. From Reynolds Budgets, we are going to do a 2. Okay. But I must save this, okay? I'm going to save it just in case so I can finish that other icon, okay? So yeah. Okay, this one right here. We need a few left. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we only can do 4. So we're going to scratch out 2 baby cheeks. Well, baby ducks. They're not chicks, ducks. So 1 and 2. We're so close. Oh my gosh. We're so close as well, you guys. And this one is for my debt. So that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Yes. And we're going to have $1 left over for the next one, which is going to be for Monday, which is so exciting because, oh my gosh, it is so close to being done with this. And this one will save me $46. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, this one right here, we have $3 and we have some leftover. Oh my gosh, I think we completed this one. So 3 and 3, that's $6, and we needed 4 and 1, so we needed $5. Oh my gosh, we completed this one. Yes. Oh my gosh, I can pay myself back now for the purchase that I did for Alex Alex Father's Day. If you know, you know that I changed it. So woohoo, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's count how much we save on this one. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we got 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. $81. This works out perfectly though, because I think I spent around that amount with the 2 little things that I got. Oh my gosh, yes, I can pay myself back. Now let's get another one. Another challenge. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. So I got this one for free. So we're just gonna do this for Freebie Monday. I mean Freebie Friday. So I got this for free from a little bit of it all. Taylor. So we got $1 here, but I'm going to save this like this because I really want to finish that one, because this is, I think, for my debt, if I'm not mistaken, or vacation. Don't know. It's for my vacation. So this one has 1, 2, and 3. So I need 3 more dollars. So let's see. 1, 2. Oops, and 3. So there you go. We got 1, 2, and 3. $3, you guys. So yes, ma'am, we're completing this one. There's no way I'm not gonna complete it. So yay, you guys. So excited. This money is going towards my debt. I mean, not my debt, my vacation. So I'm excited to see how much we save. Let's count it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Oh, that's a good amount. $35. That's a breakfast amount that I can pay. So yay. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, let's now find another challenge to see what we can do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna do this one from the cafecito. Each little icon, I'm gonna make it for $3, like each little lucky charm. So $3 each little lucky charm. All right, so that's exciting. Woohoo! All right, this one I'm gonna roll next time, well, later today, and see if, how I do. Let me scratch this one off and see how much I save. All right, here we go, guys. Save how much dollars. So this is a saving checklist. I'm a little scared. Shut up. It's a 12. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have a long way to go on this one. I need $11 more. I know this one might be a higher one, but that's okay. OMG. Okay, okie dokie. So we got $1. That $1's gonna be folded for a long time because, girl, yeah. All right. So yay! Thank you so much for watching. I'll be shipping out the 2 giveaway winners from this week tomorrow. So you should be receiving it hopefully by the end of this week, if not the beginning of next week. Okay, guys, for those 2 lucky winners, chicken dinner. All right, let's add those Freebie Fridays back, and we will see them again on Wednesday for Lucky Wednesday. So that's exciting. I mean, not Lucky Wednesday, Freaky Wednesday. Oh my goodness, what am I thinking? All right, so there is that, and then we're gonna put the other ones back on for Monday. So yeah, all right, I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys for appreciating my effort and appreciating my videos, showing love and support. It's amazing. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Your time is precious, you know that, and I appreciate every single of you guys for all the love and support. It will never go unnoticed. And I see you guys back again tomorrow for Mini Monday. So yeah, bye guys. Have a great Sunday.